It's celebration time with Celebrate Uganda.
Come again. Barrow. Everybody say that? Barrow. Can you spell the word barrow?
Imwana wanono aimba Luganda njagala Uganda no mutima gwange Katonda yatuwensi yafama tobuta obulungi bwa Afrika Uganda yekulembera.
For those of you who are watching us right about now, we are here at Vakadam Community School. Vakadam Community School begins from the nursery level all the way to P7 or primary 7. As you can see, we are going to take a tour through the school to see how the community benefits out of the school.
I said Vakadam Community School is derived from Vakadam, Uganda. And Vakadam stands for Voluntary Action for Child Care and the Disabled Africa Mission. True, we have a number of categories of children who are enrolled in Vakadam. There are those whose parents are serving long sentences in prison. And I mean, it's like their future was a little bit determined the failure. Because if a parent is in prison, for us, Vakadam, we are not concerned of what kind of criminal case this person, the parent who is serving a sentence, committed. Because that's in the hands of the law. But we are concerned about this child. If not supported, if not helped, it means this child is going to become a social problem in prison. I mean, in communities.
Julia, very good. Another one, Dan, very good. Latifa, very good.
Secondly, we are looking at some parents who go to prisons and they don't get reformed. You find that some parents come from prison when they have become completely hardcore criminals. But how about this child? If this child is not helped, if this mother is not helped, then there are chances that we are creating more criminals into the society. We are also looking at children who are born to mothers who are HIV positive, and possibly this child is HIV positive. Okay, we know financially this person, this mother, this father is financially incapacitated. Then we are also looking at children born with some physical disabilities. This is primary 4. Primary 4 ranges between 8 years to 11. Can I see somebody 8 years? Who is 8 years? 9? It's between 8 to 11 years, and they are good. We are also looking at children born to younger mothers. We call them girl mothers. Say one was in primary section, one was in secondary, and he was impregnated. And for us, we don't believe that there's any pregnancy which is accidental. We believe this child is never, no life in the world is ever an accident. But we are looking at this child, if he's not helped. Say the would-be father maybe was charged with the defilement. Maybe the would-be mother has been disowned by the family. Then we believe this child can be helped and supported, and in the future becomes a useful person. We are also looking at children who are completely orphans, and this is without mother and father. Or maybe one is a half orphan, but financially he can't meet the requirements of a good school to access quality education. Lastly, we are also looking at children who are coming from very poor families. Probably this family cannot even earn, say, $1 per day or per week. But again, other necessities are there in life. So Vakadam is coming in to these children, this kind of disabled children. 6. Primary 6 is the second last class to primary 7. And from primary 7, they'll be joining high school.
Africa is my home. I was born in the Pearl of Africa, Uganda, that's my land. Enough of them want to know where they come from.
One kindergarten section, they are put together because of lack of enough accommodation.
These are 3 different classes in one accommodation. Okay, and this is because you don't have space, because of lack of space.
Celebrate Uganda, the best radio station for African music.